Alright, welcome back guys. I hope you are doing good out there. This is Forza Horizon 5 and I've been playing it a lot, and you guys know I have a budget PC. So these are my specs. Now there are a lot of YouTube videos out there showing how to increase like from 30 FPS to 100 FPS. Okay, none of them really works. There are no softwares which will increase your FPS in such a way that would like blow you out. Okay, unless there is like driver crashing or issues, and like people are completely scamming on YouTube just by uploading these videos. But these are my specs here. I have a Core i5 3570 which is from like 10 years or 8 years ago, I don't know. I do have a 16 GB of RAM, and I have a graphics card which is super budget, known as the GTX 1650, 4 GB of RAM. Alright, so the important steps that you need to do is like really simple. I am not installing any software to fix your FPS. As you guys can see, I do have getting like 50, 55 or 53 frames per second right now. So here is my fix. Here is what I do for fixing the problems. So the one thing that I do is, number one mainly, is that I close like a lot of softwares. I do close them on my PC. Right now I do have screen recorder which I need for this purpose of this video. I do have Google Chrome running. You guys need to close literally everything. Let me see in my task manager here. I do have Steam because you need that to play Forza Horizon. I do have Epic Games running. I have like Discord running. So what you need to do is close them. Like if you are like looking for like FPS, please close them. Like it will hugely improve your gameplay. Now I'm going to close Epic Games too, and let me close this Google Chrome. Now you can completely remove like or like delete all the softwares which doesn't require for the game to run. I can close this Microsoft Office, and I can close this Adobe Creative Cloud stuff. You don't need that. What is this? This is something like of NVIDIA. You need to keep that. Alright, so I have 29% just by like for the screen recorder using here. Also it is using like 159 megabyte of my memory here. So the next thing what you need to do is go to your NVIDIA control panel if you have a NVIDIA graphics card, and what you need to do is go to select this use my preference emphasizing option and move this cursor to performance. You can use quality if you are recording the game for like YouTube purposes, if you need good quality. But if you want a huge improvement in like game performance, just click this and click on apply. Alright, now next thing what you have to do is just close everything and make sure you have the latest NVIDIA graphics drivers, which you always can check by using your GeForce Experience software. If there is an update, I would suggest you to like completely install those updates, which will hugely be helpful for like newer titles like Forza Horizon and Halo. So let me just install the update here. Alright guys, I have completely updated and exited all the application that was running on my PC completely. And if you look at my task manager right now, and let's run the game and check. Alright guys, here I am back in the game, and I am at the place where we have left before with the same vegetation and environment, and you guys can see my performance has slightly increased, like maybe 15 fps or like 10. I don't know, you can exactly see or like calculate how it is. And right now I literally love this game, and I am going to climb this huge mountain up top, and just look at my performance. It's completely better. Sometimes it reach up to like 80. So yeah, that's about this video, I think. And I hope this was a simple tutorial, and yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.